diving in for airspeed as he levels off right about there, pulls back on the stick, up on the 20-degree line, rolls the airplane now all along the show line. Look at the roll rate of the bits as up into that blue sky we see over Abbotsford, holding it in the vertical. Gravity will start to take over. He floats it over the top before he runs up to airspeed altogether. A nice, great, big, half-Q&A turnaround. 1 and 2-point hesitation for all.
Coming in from your left, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rob Holland in the MX2. Look at this. This is also coming up later on in the show. At the end of the day, as he climbs high into the sky, rolling airplane, throwing it into a tumble at the top of that tower. Over he goes, hanging upside down in the cockpit. This amazing airplane would be the championship. Look at this airplane. It was built for this kind of aerobatics. It is stressed for plus or minus 16 G.
Holy, 16 G.
Okay, back to...
This helicopter has an empty weight of 6,591 kilograms and a maximum gross weight of 9,000.
A beautiful Spitfire taking off, and here from historic flight to tell you all about it is Gary Lockyer.
He's hauling.
The sight and the sounds of this epic airplane. It's one of the great, most beautiful airplanes to ever get in the sky. There you hear that beautiful throaty roar of Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. This airplane was built in the Castle Bromwich factory of Nicholas Supermarine in Britain and was delivered to the Royal Air Force in 1945.
That one's way cooler than the Spitfire. He hauled ass.
Spitfire.
Yeah, it's a cooler airplane, but that sounded almost as good.
Now, I want you to pay attention to the way that the smoke kind of gets crazy out there.
Okay, are you up by the
hills and turns?
You see the windsock?
He climbed like 3,000 feet so fast.
Windsock, I'll find a short bit.
That is the distribution of air. The airplane is the way that the plane goes through the air. You can't see it, and with the smoke, you can't see it. There's
You can hear the turbo on that thing. I hear jets. You hear that F-18? Look at the smoke. Look at the smoke here.
Shirley is now positioned in the ATM for a pass down the show line. Well, he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the Hawk's rapid roll capability by rolling his 35,000-pound aircraft at almost 200 degrees per second.
35,000 pounds.
Captain Shirley displaying the Warhawks rolling capability.